Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Southern Lights stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the extended single crochet stitch, and the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 2 plus 3. I have already made 25 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. You're going to skip 1 chain into this next one. You're going to make an extended single crochet. And then make a half double crochet into that same chain with that extended single crochet. And that's how that is looking. So now you would start repeating. You're going to skip 1 chain into this next one, 1 extended single crochet, and then 1 half double crochet into that same chain with that extended single. Skip 1 chain into this next one, 1 extended single crochet, then 1 half double crochet into that same chain. And that's how everything is looking so far. So you would repeat this step of skipping 1 chain, making an extended single crochet and a half double into the next chain. You're going to repeat this sequence until you have 2 chains left in this row. Once you reach the end of your row and you have 2 chains left, skip 1 chain and then into the last chain of this row, make 1 half double crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. These 2 chains will count as a half double crochet stitch. So we're going to be skipping the first 2 stitches. Into the next one, we're going to be making that same thing, make an extended single crochet stitch, and then a half double crochet into that same stitch all together. Now we're going to get into our sequence. It's basically the same as row 1. We're just going to be skipping 1 stitch instead of a chain. So skip the next stitch into this next one, make an extended single crochet and a half double crochet stitch together. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, extended single crochet and a half double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 1 stitch into this next one, extended single crochet and a half double crochet into that same stitch all together. So that's how things are looking. So you're going to start repeating the sequence by skipping 1 stitch. Into this next one, you're going to make an extended single crochet and then a half double crochet all in that next stitch together. You're going to start repeating this sequence until you have only 2 stitches left in this row. So I made it to the end of my row. I technically have 1 stitch and then some chains over here left. You're going to skip this last stitch into the top of these chains at the end of your row. You're going to make a half double crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Southern Lights stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.